Bonjour. Are you looking to add some French flair to your diet while still eating healthy? Look no further. Here are 15 French cuisine recipes that are not only nutritious, but also delicious. Let's start with a classic Niçoise salad packed with fresh vegetables, tuna, and hard-boiled eggs. Next up, we have ratatouille, a colorful medley of eggplant, zucchini, bell peppers, and tomatoes. For a comforting meal, try coq au vin, a slow-cooked chicken dish with red wine, mushrooms, and onions. If you're in the mood for seafood, why not whip up some bouillabaisse, a flavorful fish stew from the south of France? Craving something sweet? How about a tarte tatin, an upside-down caramelized apple tart that is sure to satisfy your sweet tooth? For a light and refreshing dessert, try a traditional French fruit salad with a hint of mint. Feeling fancy? Indulge in some escargot, cooked in garlic butter and parsley for a luxurious treat. And of course, we can't forget about the famous French onion soup, topped with crusty bread and melted Gruyere cheese. These are just a few of the many French cuisine recipes that can help you maintain a healthy and delicious diet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes.